another video. So you may or may not know that my birthday is coming up. It's March 25th. And I'm gonna be locked down in my house. Since all my birthday plans are canceled and I can't go anywhere, I didn't want to waste my birthday makeup. I still wanted to do the look that I was gonna do if I was going out with my friends. If you guys want to see how I created this glittery look, just keep watching. You have nothing better to do. So, as always, I'm gonna start by pinning back my hair so I don't get any makeup in it. I prime my face with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. For foundation, I'm going to have to try a different color because I have not been able to tan in over a week. So a bit just a little pale right now. So I'm going to go back to a color I used to use and just hope that it works. This is a Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in Honey Light. So we don't know, a bit just kind of light right now. So I'm just going to distribute this on my face. And then I'm just gonna blend it with the Beauty Blender. If you get foundation in your hair, don't worry about it because no one's gonna see you anyway. Honestly, if this color doesn't match me, I really don't care because no one's gonna see me. After my foundation blender, I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in medium to highlight my face. Once that is all blended out, I'm going to go in with my setting powder. Just like my last video, I'm using the Ben Nye No Color powder. And this, you're going to look crazy for a little, but that's okay. So I always start underneath the eye because that's where it creases fastest. And then I just get the rest of my face. Now once you have a massive amount of setting powder on your face, I'm just going to go back and buff it out except for underneath my eyes. I like to leave underneath my eyes just for when I'm doing eyeshadow, just in case I fall out, it's easy to get off my face. So I'm going to do my brows off camera just because they take a little while and it's a little time consuming. But I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Okay, so I just did my brows off camera and then I primed my eyelids with MAC Clean Hot and Painterly. To start, I'm just going to take this lightest color in the Juvia Warrior palette and just base out my eyes all the way up to my brow bone. I take the Morphe 350 palette. Oh my god, that was so green. And then I'm just going to take this lighter brown color right over here. And I'm going to start working that as my transition color. So kind of like my crease, but a little above and below that. So make some of that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35W palette. And in that same spot as where the other color was, I'm going to go in with a different brown color and just kind of work that into my crease as well. But like more into the crease. I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35R palette. I kind of just dug my finger in that color. Oops. But I'm going to take this brown color right over here and kind of start focusing it more on the outer corner. And then I'm just going to take two colors down from that. It's like a true chocolatey brown color. And I'm going to focus that one on the outer corner. So that first brown color, I'm just taking that and putting it under my eye. And that dark brown color, and I'm just going to focus that one on the outside. I'm trying to decide if I want it dark for the eye. You know what? It's my birthday. We're going to do a dark darker eye. So I'm going to take black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. And I'm going to line my waterlines. So now for the fun part, the glitter. I'm using the Stila liquid glitter thing. Oh, Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma. It's my favorite color that they have. So, I always use a brush because it's more precise. So I'm just going to take a little brush, get some product on there, and just start brushing it on my eye. And once I have the glitter on there, I just like to go in with a little brush and kind of clean up the edges so they're not harsh. And then with that same brush, I'm going to take a little bit of that darker brown that we used and just kind of trace the outer line of the glitter. It kind of makes like a fake cut crease. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm using the Sephora waterproof liquid liner. I'm going to do my wings off camera just because they take me a little bit of time, and then I'll do it. So now that the wings are done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. I'm going to start by wiping away the setting powder underneath my eyes. You want to make sure you do this lightly so you don't take off any of your makeup. And then for my face powder, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Sandstone 16. And I'm just going to dust that all over my face. Then to contour my face, I'm just going to go in with a little bronzer. Just like I said in my other video, I like to go all in and contour my face even more. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and just do that whole thing all over again. For blush, I'm just using this NYX blush in Amber. And I'm going to put this on the apples of my cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter ever. It's the Opal highlighter by Becca. And I'm going to put this in the inner corners of my eyes. Before I put on mascara and lashes, I'm going to set my face just because I have really long lashes, and if I set my face after, the mascara gets everywhere, it gets all over my eyelids and underneath. It's a disaster. Since it's my birthday, I want to be a little extra. I'm using the Max Fix Plus in Gold Light, so it has like gold glitter. Now it's time for lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and coat my lashes with mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous. And then I'm going to put on some lashes. I think I'm going to be using Morphe's lashes in Rodeo. But that's going to take a minute, so I'll come back when those are on and it's time for lips. So while I'm waiting for the lash glue to dry, I figured I'd pop back on here and do my lips. I went for a rusty, dusty, old pair of Rodeo lashes from Morphe, just because I'm not going to see anyone, so why use a new pair? Also, in the process, I lost the happy balloons. I think that's a metaphor for my birthday this year. It's just a birthday, it's not a happy birthday. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in Strip Down, and yes, I'm going to overline the shit out of my lips. And then for gloss, I'm going to be using Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Skin Deep. Favorite, by far, favorite ever. That's my makeup look that I would have done if I went out somewhere for my birthday, but I'm stuck inside. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see, special effects, beauty, whatever, just let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next